First in the list is Oslo. It is an electric bike with a hydroformed aluminum chassis and thermoplastic body panels. It comes with both pedal assist and a hand throttle and is designed to reach speeds of 20 miles per hour. That classifies it as a Class 2 e-bike in the US. The motor is rated at a surprisingly low 250 watt, though very few 250 watt motors actually put out such little power. More often than not, they are higher wattage motors that are underrated for regulatory reasons. It has a battery, which allows it to get up to 20 miles of range per charge. With its aluminum frame and thermoplastic bodywork, the whole vehicle tops out at 44 pounds, which is lighter than most of the e-bikes. Next is Novus. The bike looks like a cross between a bicycle and a moped. The electric bike has one of the most innovative carbon fiber frames ever seen on a production electric motorcycle. It's an innovative product in the world of electric two-wheelers, with a hub-mounted motor and unique design. It's certainly innovative and looks built for the future. It's a lightweight bike, weighing only 38.5 kilograms, and many of its components are hidden inside the carbon monocoque frame, and the bike boasts of a range of over 96 kilometers and a top speed of 96.5 kilometers per hour. The 14.4 kilowatt lithium-ion battery sits low within the frame and takes just 1 hour for an 80% charge. Now comes Beloic. It is a unique bike that can be folded and easily carried wherever you go. It features a powerful brushless motor, and it is designed as per rider's convenience. It allows a top speed of 50 miles per hour. It is durable and allows you to carry it anywhere you go. This e-bike has a built-in LCD display. The 20-inch wheels and 160mm disc brakes ensures rider safety and security. This is Gotrek Shift S1, meet every commuter's best friend, the Shift S1 e-bike. This electric bike is built with high-quality materials and a long-lasting battery that lasts up to 15 miles per charge. Reinvent your commute with this lightweight and foldable electric bike. The Shift S1 electric bike has a max speed of 20 miles per hour, so getting to class, work or even just cruising around is always a fun and fast adventure. The triple-fold design allows the Shift S1 e-bike to be the most portable e-bike around. The lightweight frame and foldable design is perfect if you need to store on a train, bus, office, elevator, or need to climb up a few flights of stairs. Meet X1. It is light, fast, reliable and very, very smart. The frame is sleek and minimalist, but also functional, as all cables are channeled through the curved frame. The battery is mounted in the down tube too, and can be charged on the go or removed for a full charge in under 4 hours. X1's highlight is the incorporation of facial recognition. This way, the bike unlocks and remembers settings for each rider. Voice control is also an option, ideal for starting up and handling of GPS in hands-free mode. Kinetic control, possible through facial recognition, allows the rider to turn the bike with a swift nod of the head. It also consists of built-in and removable battery. It is designed by bicycle designer Matt Rosier, with an aluminum frame that brings its total weight to under 44 pounds. It is an electric bike that is so smart and connected it comes to know its owner better than their mother. X1, from Barcelona-based company Revolt, comes in 3 different models and 4 available color combinations, and packs all the tech you can think of onto a sleek futuristic frame made of aluminum composite. Next is a VeloQuest Max. It is a Class 2 electric bike. It comes with a pedal assist or throttle up to 20 miles per hour, 750 watts max. The Quest Max has 5 levels of pedal assist or the thumb throttle option. The Quest Max quickly and easily folds down to a compact size for storage and for transport. The frame is constructed of aluminum with a main frame hinge in the middle for foldability. A lithium battery is housed inside of the main tube of the frame for centered and low weight distribution. That is beneficial for the handling of the bike and a balanced feel when picking the bike up. The grip shifter on the handlebar acts like a volume dial on a radio, so you can dial in the best gear for the terrain you are riding on. Now comes a Horus Snow X6. It is an affordable folding electric bike that is fairly nimble and comfortable with plus-sized tires, plenty of power and range as well as regenerative capabilities from the Shenji electrical system, available in 2 frame colors with a 1-year comprehensive warranty. It is a step up in terms of quality and provides smooth shifting. Logan hydraulic disc brakes provide huge stopping power with large 180mm rotors, and the ride is fairly comfortable thanks to the gel saddle and locking ergonomic grips. Last in the list is Lightspeed Fury 518. It comes with a rechargeable lithium-ion battery with 18,650 series cells. The battery is encased in a snug portable casing for good looks and convenience. Fury 518 has 4-inch fat tires, making it very easy for the cyclist to get the bicycle moving. The rush of power you get from an energetic pickup is a push in the right direction to get you started on an exhilarating journey. The motor is situated in the rear wheel, thus giving the rider a feel of being pushed forward as he pedals along. This motor location ensures that you do not feel any sort of drag as you cycle.